Hi guys, this is your Punjabi chef Prateek Dhawan, not just any Dhawan. And today I am the one who is going to make chicken chili stir fry, or also known as devil chicken. So let's begin. To start the recipe, first we'll start marinating the chicken. I'm going to add turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt and oil. After marinating the chicken, I'm going to set it aside for at least 15 minutes. After letting the chicken rest in the marination for 15 minutes, now I'm going to start pan frying it. Add oil. As the oil starts getting hot, I'm going to start putting the chicken into the pan. The chicken has turned brown. I'm going to switch off the gas and remove the chicken into a plate. In the same pan, again I'm going to switch on the gas, add little oil. To make the sauce, first I'm going to add chopped ginger, chopped garlic. I'm going to saute them for at least 20 seconds. And next I'm going to add an onion, capsicum and cherry tomato. I'm going to saute the vegetables till they get little softer. And once they turn little soft, I'm going to add tomato ketchup, oyster sauce, soya sauce, red chili sauce and chili flakes. With this also I'm going to add the chicken which we had pan fried earlier. Mix it up nicely with the sauces. At this stage, I'm going to add little water. Mix it up nicely. And last, I'm going to add spring onion and let the chicken cook till the time the sauce thickens. Our chicken chili stir fry is now ready. We'll start plating now. Without wasting any more time, let's start garnishing the chicken. First, I'm going to add sliced red chili, then spring onion. And there you go guys, our devil chicken is now ready. You should definitely try the recipe and let me know how it turned out. This is Chef Prateek signing off. Take care and goodbye.